Have you ever been in the middle of a sentence? You are speaking English. You feel good. But then suddenly, you stop. Your mind goes blank. The words disappear. You look at the other person. The other person looks at you, and there is only silence. It feels heavy. It feels scary. Your heart starts to beat fast. You think you have failed. We are going to fix that feeling today. Welcome to the second episode of your English journey. In the first lesson, we talked about starting. Today, we talk about continuing. We will learn how to keep the river flowing. You do not need big words. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need a few simple tools. We will change how you think about speaking. This lesson is for anyone who hesitates. Let us begin by relaxing the mind. Usually when we stop speaking, it is because we are thinking too much. You want to say the perfect sentence. You are searching for a complex word. And while you search for the word, the silence gets longer. I want you to change your goal. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is connection. It is better to say a simple sentence now than a perfect sentence later. Take a deep breath. Let your shoulders drop. English is not a test. It is just sounds we use to share ideas. If you forget a word, that is okay. Use a different word. Use an easier word. If you cannot say automobile, just say car. If you cannot say delicious, just say good. Simple is strong. Simple is fast. When you stop trying to impress people, you will start speaking to people. Think about your own language. Do you use big complex words all day? Probably not. You say simple things. You say, I am hungry. You say, let us go. You say, that is funny. Do the same in English. Release the pressure. You do not need to translate everything perfectly in your head. Just focus on the main idea. The main idea is enough. Now let us look at how to connect your ideas. This is the secret to speaking for a long time. You do not need long sentences. You need short sentences that hold hands. Imagine your sentences are like small stones in a river. You step on one stone. Then you step on the next stone. We use small words to connect the stones. The most important word is and. This tiny word is magic. It lets you keep going. Now I want you to notice something important. When you freeze, your body often feels tight. So your first job is to slow down and sigh. You can do that in 1 second. You breathe out and you relax your jaw. Then you choose one small sentence. Only one. One sentence is enough to keep control. Let us build a simple way to continue. Say a short idea, and then add one more idea. That is the whole method. Imagine you want to talk about your weekend. Do not try to make one huge sentence. Make small ones. I went to the park, and it was sunny, and I saw my friend, and we drank coffee. See how easy that is? You are just adding one more thing. You do not need to plan the end of the story. Just say the next thing that happened. Use and to add information. Think of it like building a wall with bricks. One brick at a time. And is the glue that keeps your ideas together. Now, let us add a second bridge word. But. Use but when something changes. Use it when there is a surprise. I wanted to go out, but it was raining. I like this shirt, but it is too expensive. I called my friend, but he was busy. These words are bridges. They carry you from one thought to the next thought. Without them, your speech sounds like a list. With them, your speech flows. Now, let us add a third bridge word. So. Use so to show a result. It explains why you did something. I was tired, so I went to sleep. I was hungry, So I made a sandwich. My phone battery died. So I could not call you. Now pause for a second and think. Think of one small thing you did today. Say it in your head, in simple English. Keep it short. Now add and to give one more detail. Now add but to show a change. Now add so to show a result. This is practice, even if you do it silently. Silent practice still trains your brain. Now let us talk about the turn in a conversation. Many learners try to carry the whole conversation. That creates pressure. A conversation is shared. You speak then, you give space. Think of it like tennis. You hit the ball. Then you wait. The other person hits the ball back. If your mind goes blank, pass the ball. You can ask a simple question. You can say, "What about you?" You can say, "And you?" You can say, "What do you think?" This gives you time to breathe. It also invites the other person to speak. Most people respond well to simple questions, because people like to talk about their own day. So use that. Now, imagine you are in a cafe. You are ordering food. The person asks what you want. Start small. I want coffee, and I want cake, but no chocolate. So I will take the fruit tart. That is real speaking. It is clear and direct. Now, imagine you are at work. Someone says, "How is your day going?" You can answer in 3 small steps. "It is fine, and I've been busy, but I'm okay. So, I will finish my tasks." Short sentences, clear flow. Now, imagine you are on public transport. You are standing next to someone. You can make a simple comment. "It is crowded today, and the traffic is slow, but we will get there, so it is fine." You are not trying to be funny. You are just sharing the moment. Now, let us handle mistakes. Every speaker makes mistakes. Even native speakers do. The difference is what they do next. They continue. That is the skill. So if you make a small grammar mistake, keep going. Do not stop to fix every little thing. If you stop, the flow breaks. Flow matters more than perfect grammar. If you say he go to school, people understand you. If you say yesterday I buy milk, people understand you. Communication happened. That is a win. Now, let us talk about repairing without panic. You can repair with one short phrase. You can say "I mean." You can say "Sorry, I mean." Then you say the next simple version. Do not make a big apology. Just continue. Now let us talk about missing words. If you forget a word, go around it. Describe it with easy words. If you forget accountant, say "I work with money." If you forget umbrella, say the thing for rain. This keeps the conversation moving. It is like water going around a rock. Now let us talk about silence again. Silence is not your enemy. A short pause is normal. You can pause for 2 seconds. You can pause for 5 seconds. Your face can stay calm while you pause. That is important. You can even speak your pause. You can say, "Let me think." You can say, "How do I say this?" You can say, "One moment, please." These phrases tell the other person you are still speaking. They also give you time. Now, I want you to try a small mental drill. Imagine someone asks you where you are from. Answer with a simple sentence in your head. Now, add one more sentence with "and." Now, add a change with "but." Now add a result with "so." This is how you build flow. Flow is built, not found. Now, let us move to a different real moment. Imagine you meet a neighbor in the hallway. You do not need a long chat. You only need a few lines. "Hi, how are you?" "I am good." "And you?" They answer. You react once. Then you can end it naturally. You can say, I have to go now. You can say, have a good day. Short, clean, natural. Now, notice what you are learning here. You are learning control. You are learning calm pace. You are learning simple structure. And you are learning to continue, even when you feel nervous. That is a real skill. Now let us review quickly in your mind. Relax your body. Speak in short sentences. Use and to add. Use but to change. Use so to explain a result. Pass the ball with a question when you need a break. Do not stop for small mistakes. Go around missing words. Use a short phrase to repair and continue. Now I want to motivate you in a realistic way. You do not need to speak perfectly today. You need to speak a little better than yesterday. That is how progress works. Small steps every day. Even 2 minutes of practice helps. You can practice while walking. You can practice while cooking. You can practice in your head on the bus. This is how English becomes automatic. Automatic English is calm English. Now, let us close this episode strongly. Next episode, we will build longer conversations in common situations. You will learn how to stay natural when the topic changes. You will learn how to end a conversation with confidence. For now, take one idea from today and use it. Use one connector word today. Use one simple question today. That is enough. Keep going. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking. Let us add one more real situation. Imagine you are in a small shop. You want to buy something simple. You can start with one clear sentence. I am looking for a charger, and I need it for my phone, but I am not sure which one is right. So can you help me choose? Notice how you guided the conversation. You did not freeze. You used simple bridges. Now imagine you are on a short phone call. The other person asks how your week is. You can keep it simple and steady. It has been busy, and I have had a lot of work, but I am learning to manage it. So I am doing okay. Now imagine you meet someone new. They ask what you do. You can keep it short. I work in an office, and I work with numbers, but I also like creative things. So I try to learn new skills. Now, I want you to practice building a longer chain. Choose a topic in your mind. It can be food. It can be work. It can be your city. Say one sentence. Now add one detail with and. Now add a change with but. Now add a result with so. Now add one more detail with and again. This is how you build a longer flow with simple pieces. Now let us talk about what to do when the other person speaks fast. You do not need to panic. You can slow the moment down with a simple request. You can say, sorry, can you say that again? You can say, a little slower, please. You can say, I did not catch that. These lines protect your calm, and calm is your power. Now let us talk about face and body for a moment. When you look relaxed, people relax too. So keep your shoulders low. Keep your voice steady. Keep your sentences short. Your body becomes part of your English. Now, let us make your practice plan simple. One small conversation a day. One short question a day. One connector word a day. That is enough to change your speaking over time. Now I want you to do something after this episode. Listen again another day. Not to memorize, to build familiarity. Familiarity makes speaking easier. Now, you are not only learning English, you are training a new habit. A habit of continuing, a habit of staying calm, a habit of connecting ideas. That is real progress. And you are capable of it. Keep practicing. See you next time.